Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are doing some abbreviation. SMS abbreviation. Before, later, see you, have a nice day, no problem, tomorrow, thanks, how are you, good morning. Academic abbreviations. PhD, Doctor of Philosophy, MA, Master of Art, BA, Bachelor of Art, MBA, Master of Business Administration, GPA, Grade Point Average, Space Agencies, NASA, USA, Roscosmos, Russia, ESA, Europe, CNSA, China, Israel, India. Medical abbreviations. ICU, Intensive Care Unit, MRI, Magnetic Resonance Imaging, Magnetic Resonance Imaging, CT, Computer Tomography, ECG, Electrocardiogram, IV, Intravenous. Common abbreviations. Gonna, going to, y'all, you all, wanna, want to, and, am not, gimme, give me, ma'am, madam, have to, have to, woulda. It's your turn. Write the correct answer in the comment.